Welcome to 5MinuteTutorials.com. I'm going to do an example use of the actual Pathfinder palette, and we'll create some shapes here using some of the techniques learned in earlier tutorials. So I'm going to select the ellipse tool and pick a foreground color. We'll just use red for right now. And I'm going to click and drag across my canvas here with the ellipse tool and create, holding down the shift key, a perfect circle. Going back to my selection tool, I'm going to alt drag to create a second circle, and I'm going to shift drag down, so holding shift keeps it proportional, and I've made this circle a little bit smaller. I'm going to go ahead and just pick a different color for it, and then now drag this so that both of these circles overlap. Clicking and dragging to select both of them, I'm going to use now the align, which will also be found under window align, and I'm going to align them vertically and horizontally so that they both are actually centered. Going back to my Pathfinder palette, now what I'm going to do is I have a couple choices here. I'm going to trim, and now I have two shapes that are being grouped together, so Control Shift G to ungroup them, and now I can drag it out, and you notice now that this red shape has a big hole cut out in the middle of it. What I can do is select both of them once again, go back to Align, realign both of those just like so, drag them in, and then select the green shape here, and I'm going to Alt Shift and drag. Shift means keep it a perfect circle. Alt means shrink towards the center of the shape. And we'll go ahead and use the eyedropper here and pick up the color of the red. And there we've got a bullseye. Now, Alt drag can create an extra red shape there. Alt Shift drag to make a larger one there. Now we've got three of those shapes there. And once again, you can just select all three of those and realign them. And now we've got a very nice bullseye effect there. So that's one easy way of using the Pathfinder palette along with the Align palette to actually create some more complex shapes.